Hi everyone and welcome back to my Django tutorial series. My name is Afsane and this video part 5 we're going to make our contact form send real emails. In the last part we built a functional contact form but it didn't actually send anything. So today we'll connect Django to an email server and make that form come alive. Let's get started. Step 1. Overview of Django's email system. Before we jump into coding, let's understand how Django handles email behind the scenes. Django has a built-in email backend system. It's basically a way to send emails using a few settings in our settings.py file. By default, Django just prints the email to the console, which is great for testing. But if we want to send real emails, we'll need to configure an SMTP server like Gmail or any other provider. So here's what we'll do in this video. 1. Configure Gmail's SMTP settings in Django. 2. Create a secure app password in Google. 3. Update our contact form view to actually send the email. 4. Finally, test it and make sure it works. Step 2. Configuring Gmail SMTP in settings.py. Let's open up our settings.py file and scroll down to the bottom. We'll add the following lines. Now, don't worry, you don't have to expose your password in plain text. We'll soon see how to use environment variables to keep this secure. But for testing purposes, this setup works fine locally. Make sure email use TLS is set to true. This ensures your emails are sent securely. Step 3. Creating an app password in Google. If you're using Gmail, you can't use your normal password. Instead, you'll need to generate an app password, a special key that allows Django to send emails from your account. Here's how to do that. 1. Go to your Google account settings, security tab. 2. Enable two-step verification if it's not already on. 3. Then click on App Passwords. If you don't find it, so we can search it in the search bar. Four, choose mail as the app and other custom name. Type Django project. 5. Copy the generated 16-character password. That's what you'll use as your email host password in settings. Make sure to restart your server after changing settings. Step 4. Updating the contact form view. Now, let's open our views.py file inside the contact app. We'll import the send mail function and update our form handling logic. Now, every time someone submits the form, Django will send you an email. It's that simple, but always test it locally first. Step 5. Testing and troubleshooting. Go ahead and run your local server. Open the contact page, fill in the form, and click Submit. If everything's set up correctly, you'll see a message sent successfully alert, and an email should land in your Gmail inbox in a few seconds. If you don't see the message sent successfully, That's okay. I'll teach you in the next video. If you get an error like SMTP authentication error, double check your app password and your Gmail security settings. And remember, if you're deploying this to production, always use environment variables for your credentials. And that's it for this part. Now our contact form actually sends real emails. Pretty cool, right? In the next part, we'll learn how to clean up our forms, add success messages, and make our UI look much nicer using Django's messages framework and Bootstrap styling. By the way, all the code from this video and previous videos is available on my GitHub repository, linked in the description below, so you can check it out, download it, and follow along with your own project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.